can actually get up to 500 to 1000 watch hours every single day here on YouTube. Yes, you heard me right. I said free. You're not going to be paying anybody for watch hours. You're not buying any expensive tool, and you're not paying for any subscription. You can do this completely for free using a secret app I'm going to be introducing to you in this video, and a lot of people have been using it to mark watch hours codedly on this YouTube space. This video is especially for small YouTubers who are struggling to complete their 4000 watch hours. Imagine getting 500 watch hours today, and tomorrow you are getting 1000 watch hours, and even up to 1500 watch hours every single day. If you understand this method and use it consistently for just 1 week, you can imagine what that is going to do for your channel. Now, I don't just want to sit here and talk about it. I'm going to take you directly to my screen, show you the app, how it works, and the exact steps you need to follow. And please don't even bother to skip this video. There's an important part of this app you must get right. If not, everything you're doing is going to warrant to zero. But everything you're going to do is not even going to work for you. And again, this method is free and free. This is the same method that a lot of your favorite YouTubers are collecting money from you, but I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself free of charge. So if you're struggling to get your 4000 watch hours and you want to know the secret app that a lot of smaller YouTubers and your favorite YouTubers are using to get watch hours for you, then I need you to pay attention to this video. And without further ado, let's head over to my screen, guys. So guys, I'm going to be using our YouTube Studio desktop version for this tutorial. Okay, first of all, go to Chrome. Locate your Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome, please go to Play Store and download a Chrome browser, because some browsers will not allow you to carry out what you want to carry out right now. Okay, so once you come to Chrome, search for studio.youtube.com. Okay, and it's going to bring you to this interface where you're going to see try out the Studio app. For the best YouTube Studio experience, download the Studio app. Okay, please don't click on get the app. Go straight to this page that says continue to Studio. Just click on continue to Studio, and it's going to lead you directly to your YouTube Studio desktop version. Okay, so before you continue, please ensure the dashboard that is opening is the dashboard you want to get watch hours for, because a lot of people have more than one channel. So the channel you want to get watch hours for, please ensure it is in the right one. And for you to ensure it is in the right one, just look at let me zoom it so you can see what I'm saying. Just look here. Okay, look at this profile picture here and ensure that this is the one, the channel you want to get watch hours for. But for this tutorial, this is not the channel I want to get watch hours for. I'm just going to tap on the profile picture above there and then click on switch accounts. Okay, so I'm going to switch account and then just select the channel I want to use to get the watch hours. Okay, it will still bring me back to this interface. I'll click on continue to Studio. Please pay attention to this part because this is very, 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 very important. Okay, so once you come here, it's going to let me zoom it so you can see what I'm talking about very well. So if you look at the top right hand side, you're going to see this three icon here. You're going to be seeing this three icon. You're going to see this upload icon, this stream icon, and then this icon here. So please just click on this streaming icon here, the one in the middle. Okay, you tap on it. Just locate anywhere you see schedule stream, click on schedule stream. Okay, once you click on schedule stream, it's going to bring you to this interface where you can fill all of these details. Please pay attention to this part very well. Ensure to impute a very catchy title. Okay, so I can just title this. Okay, give it a very, very catchy title. Ensure you impute a description that can actually help with your SEO package. Okay, impute ensure you leave it at, if you look at this place, you're going to see, if you look at here, you're going to be seeing streaming software. Please leave it as streaming software. Click on choose the category, impute your thumbnail if you have a thumbnail, impute your playlist, select a playlist, click on next. Okay, click on next. Okay, just impute every necessary detail you need to impute and then click on next. Okay, impute your title. Let's assume I need to put my title before I can click on next. Let's assume the video is about okay, so So I've just inputted it, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, once I click on next, it's going to bring me to this interface. You're going to see customizations, settings to tailor your stream to your needs. You're going to see live chat, ensure it has a live chat so that people can actually chat on your live stream. Live chat replay. Just ensure you tick everything necessary. Now it says who can send messages, anyone, subscribers, live commentary, anyone can send messages. Okay, just choose anyone can send messages. Okay, and then click on next. Everyone can watch your stream schedule. Okay, if you want to schedule the stream, you can just schedule it, but if you don't want to schedule it, you just leave it like that and then click on done. So it's going to bring you to this interface that says stream settings, connect a vertical stream from your encoder, automatically generate a record, blah, 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 blah. Now you're going to see stream URL. You're going to see this stream URL right here. Okay, so that is what we need. Just copy it, long press it, and then copy. Okay, copy it. Okay, just copy it and save it somewhere. So I'm just going to minimize and save it somewhere. I'll save it somewhere. So once you've copied that, go to Play Store or your Apple Store. Okay. And search for Live Now. Live Now. Okay. Click on, you can see Live Now right here. Please ensure you take note of the app here. Take note of the logo of the app and then click on install. Now, once the app is fully installed on your phone, just click on open. Okay. Once you click on open, it's going to land you to this interface. Click on next, next, next. Just keep clicking on next and then click on done. And after that, it's going to bring you to this wonderful interface. Okay. Now, guys, this is actually a very, very smooth, easy platform, and you can literally stream in multiple platforms. You can see stream to 30 plus platform at once, guys. You can see you can stream on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitch, on TikTok, on Twitter, RTMP. You can literally stream everywhere. Okay. Now, our purpose of streaming is so we're basically here to stream on YouTube. So just tap on YouTube. Okay. Once you tap on YouTube, it's going to say stream with stream key. Okay. Click on stream with stream key. Okay. So that YouTube stream key, just impute it right here. So I'm just going to impute it right here. Okay. Click on next. So you're going to be welcome to this interface. It says stream camera, screen broadcast, and then video. Now you're going to be using video. Do you know why? Because you're going to be using a pre-recorded video. Now at this point, this is where everything is going to be tricky. Okay. You need watch hours, and for you to get your watch hours, you need interesting videos. You can go ahead and make AI storytelling videos. Now, irrespective of the niche you are, please go ahead and make an AI story video, a very interesting AI story video. It can be just 30 seconds. It can be 1 minute. Just make sure it is very, very interesting. Okay. Now, once you get that video, click on, before you even do that, just come down here. You're going to see this place that says landscape. Okay. Click on landscape. And then so that it's going to turn to portrait. Ensure it is on portrait because it is portrait that will give you more watch hours. Okay. And then click on video. It says video must be under 1 gigabyte and no longer than 60 minutes. If it can be streamed, please convert it to MP4. Okay. So click on next. And then click on while using the app. Allow all. And then we're going to land you to this interface where you can select a video you're going to be using. So I'm going to use this video, this 30 seconds video. okay, for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, now if you come above here, look above here, you're going to see this icon. You're going to see this icon. Okay, just tap on the icon. Once you tap on the icon, that is the repeat icon. That icon is going to make your 30 seconds video to keep playing, and it's going to be on a repeat mode. It's going to be replaying. Please ensure you play this video for at least 9 hours to 11 hours every single day. Play it. This video should be on. It should be looped for up to 9 hours to 11 hours every single day. It should not be, please, it should not be more than 11 hours consistently. If I click on start now, it will start streaming on YouTube, right? This video is going to start replaying. Please ensure you use a video that is very, very interesting. It's going to start replaying. Remember, see, it's not even stressful. It is not stressful, and this platform is not asking you to pay for anything. It is as simple and straightforward. This is just the whole simple process, guys. You can see I've clicked start now. It will start playing. If I go to YouTube and check now, you see that it will start playing. So once it is 9 hours or 11 hours, you can just come down here and click on stop. Once you click on stop, your live stream is going to stop. Okay, the live stream is going to stop, and just check your watch hours. Check your watch hours. Just do this consistently. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.